Do you want to know how to avoid making a terrible investment decision? The the best way is to avoid dealing with a terrible investment professional. It's as simple as that. I'm Chris Vernon with Vernon Litigation Group, and I just want to chat with you a little bit about this topic. It's something we've been focused on for 25 years, and it's investments are so complicated, especially today. You've got ETFs, you got Bitcoin, you got foreign currencies, you've got structured products, you've got mortgage-related products. I mean, it's endless, and it's almost impossible to figure it all out. But what I think is much easier to figure out, if you know what to look for, is who is a competent and ethical investment professional versus who is not. The investment industry is very different than the legal industry. It's very different than the medical industry, very different than the tax and CPA industry. The barriers to entry to becoming a CPA, a lawyer, a doctor are very, the hurdles to get over to become that, one of those folks, is very high. The hurdles to become an investment professional are very low. I mean, obviously I know a lot as a securities lawyer about investments, but literally a couple of years ago, I spent 2 days taking a cram course and then took a test on the third day to become a registered investment advisor. I passed with flying colors. So it took me basically after high school 7 years plus a very difficult test plus a very difficult background check to become a lawyer. And it took me literally 3 days to become an investment professional. So that's what you're dealing with. You need to check out the backgrounds of these investment professionals. You can go to our website and check out a tremendous amount of history for absolutely free. You can go to the regulators and get the same information. And you need to know whether they really know what they're doing. You need to know whether they have a bankruptcy in their past, whether they have a criminal record in their past, whether they have former customer complaints in their past, whether they've ever been suspended by the regulators in their past. All this is very public information and very discoverable. So please, before you even think about what you're going to invest in, do some due diligence on selecting your investment professional, and feel free to use the resources at my law firm's website or the resources of FINRA or the SEC. Those are the primary regulators of investment professionals. Let's make sure that our money is working for us and not for somebody else. Have a great day.